Hi, I'm Dr. Erin Madigan Fleck, and welcome to DETV. We're in Atlanta, Georgia at Natrophoria, and today I'm going to be talking about microdermabrasion. Microdermabrasion has been around for a long time, but we love it here at Natrophoria and DETV as a main application for many skin types. I'm going to explain some of the most important things about microdermabrasion machines. Most microdermabrasion machines are either an open or closed loop system. We have an open loop system here, and what that means is you have an intake canister and a refuse canister. So your open loop system, you're going to be pouring your crystal, your aluminum oxide crystal, or in our case here at our location, we have organic crystal as well. It's important to realize that all microdermabrasion machines with crystal work on pressure, and they work on what we call negative pressure or positive pressure. Negative pressure is when your handpiece pulls the skin through a pressure throughout the machine, pulls the skin tightly to the handpiece. Your positive pressure is when the crystal gets shot out of the machine. What a lot of estheticians have problems with is calibrating the machine. So let me explain that again. Calibration is when you take your airflow and your crystal flow and you make sure that they're even, or if you want more aggressive microdermabrasion, you're going to have more crystal, less suction, or vice versa, depending on what you're trying to achieve with that microdermabrasion. You always want to qualify your client to make sure they're suitable for a microdermabrasion. Everyone's sensitivity threshold is different. So it's a good idea when you're thinking about microdermabrasion to do a pre-consult. So again, we're looking at negative pressure and positive pressure, calibrating in the machine, and you're going to see that on your PSI. Your PSI is your dial that's going to show you your airflow. Now, when I look at the tip of the microdermabrasion machine, the best type of tips are ones that are disposable. And if you're using a crystal-free machine, those tips are steel carbide and they need to be autoclaved. You can't just spray alcohol on them. You can use an ultrasonic cleaner to get them clean. But these are one single use to your client. Another thing that's important to note about the inside of the tip is that this screw nut wears down after a while, and you actually need to have that replaced. So your vendor, whoever you bought your microdermabrasion machine from, can help you inspect that to make sure that that screw is still good. So we're going to calibrate the machine by occluding the tip, and what that means is I'm going to hold it, put my finger on, and turn the air. This is actually pretending this is your client's skin, because if you don't have your control set properly, you're going to have too aggressive pressure immediately on the skin. So we're going to turn the machine on, take my finger, occlude the tip, and I can see my PSI in the machine. My airflow is too high for Heather's skin, my model, so I'm going to turn it down, and I like a lot of crystal. The reason why I like a lot of crystal is we get a better polish rather than just suction. So we want to avoid the striping from microdermabrasion, as sometimes that happens when we press down too hard, if we don't pull the skin enough, or if we put too much pressure. So I'm going to do a few passes on Heather's skin so you can see some of my technique in applying microdermabrasion. It doesn't really matter where you start, but what's important is that you inspect through your mag lamp first, take a look at the skin, make sure that that skin is in good condition to receive the microdermabrasion. It's important to wear gloves as well. There are a lot of skin-to-skin contact diseases that we have to be careful with, and actually when I work with my clients, I wear a face mask. It's important to follow proper OSHA regulations as far as sanitation in the spa setting. So when you touch the skin, you want to make sure that you pull that skin taut. If you just put your handpiece down and pull, you're going to irritate the skin. So what we're going to do is put that handpiece down, glide that handpiece across the skin. We don't push down on the skin itself. Your hand moves according to the diameter and the circumference of the face. So all I'm doing is taking that handpiece, coming down to the side, and your passes should be no longer than 2 inches. When you start getting long passes, you have a better chance for streaking and irritation. We always do horizontal and vertical passes. So this is my horizontal, coming across, pulling the skin tight. You can go into small sections, which is what I recommend. There's less chance for irritation. And then come back and do your vertical. You can do it in small sections, or you can go across one whole area. Do the forehead first, do your horizontal, then your vertical, then divide the cheeks and chin. The neck should be done as well as the décolleté. We consider that a separate treatment, so you want to add that into your program as an add-on as well. So microdermabrasion in crystal form is not out of style. It's extremely beneficial with scar revision, hyperpigmentation, and for lymphatic drainage. I hope you enjoyed our program today at DETV, and we look forward to seeing you soon.
Thanks for watching Derma Education TV. Join the DETV Preferred Professional Network to browse available classes and get 10% off during summer 2018. DermaEducationTV.com